According to the National Association of Realtors, homeowners have seen increases in their home's equity by nearly 34% on average over the past few years. Tapping into that equity is a great way to upgrade to a new residence. Buy a vacation home, help children buy their first home, or use it for home improvements. Hello, this is Rick Miller and I'm a realtor, and thank you for watching my Jedico Properties YouTube channel, where I'm dedicated to helping you maximize your buying and selling real estate opportunities so you can make the best decisions for yourself and your family. If this video was helpful information, please subscribe. I've got new videos coming out each week. Tapping into your home equity can be a flexible way to borrow money. A home equity line of credit, or a HELOC, is most flexible because it lets you borrow and repay funds as you need them. A HELOC is usually available at relatively low interest rates because they are secured by your home. If you are looking to increase the value of your home or do some improvements with the intent of selling, a HELOC is an excellent reason. Listen, tapping into your home's equity for a project that enhances your home's value is one of the most common ways and arguably one of the best uses of the equity in your home. And if you itemize deductions on your tax returns, the interest you pay on a home equity that is used to buy, build, or improve your primary residence or qualify second residence may be tax deductible. Obviously, consult your tax advisor for details. Thanks for watching. And if you're looking to sell, good luck with your sale. If you're looking to buy, then happy house hunting.